Hi, I'm Juanita from Nearby Artisans, and I wanted to show you some things that you can do now in Silhouette Studio with the textiles, including the glyphs and some things about the monograms. So I'll go ahead and pull up a nice font, try Dandelion script, and now I'm going to click on this middle A here, and that's going to show me what the letters will look like, and it's going to show me everything that it will cut out or print out right here. And that one seems kind of limited, so I'm going to go ahead and look at Dandelion script. Oh, that's the one I just had. I'm going to look at I think I'll look at Amanda, see if there are any glyphs there. And I do have some. So I'm going to go ahead and type in my name. I'm going to click over there and then here, and now I'm going to get some of these letters. I'm going to have A, just one. A. I think I'll do my name. I'm going to do W. W. Okay, now I'm going to look for an A that suits what I'm trying to make. So that looks pretty good. That doesn't clash with anything before it. The N, I think I want to look for a different N. I want to see if there's an N that, that one kind of comes off the same where the A is. So I think I just want a regular N for what I'm working on. So we're going to find the regular letters, and there's the N. Now I can get a fancy I. See if there's an I that's a little fancier that I want. That's the I right there. Yeah, I like that. I'll put that there. Now I think the T would need to be kind of plain because I don't want them all running into each other. I want to be able to see what the word says. So maybe just a regular T, and then maybe an A with a really long swirl at the end. Is that my only option? Oh, didn't mean to do that, but let me see if that's my only option for the A. There's this. I like that. And there it is. Now, again, like I've talked about in my other videos, I can change the colors of these. My eyedropper, and do that. For some reason, I'm still getting the greens, so I don't think I would do the eyedropper for the color. Let me see if I still get the greens. No, that turned out all right. Let me see if for some reason there, I'm still getting the green. Maybe I should click on this and then use the eyedropper for that. No, I don't know. Let me see here. So it's yellow. So it's kind of two color, I guess. Except for it didn't seem two color with the red. So, maybe it's only when the eyedropper is used. It looks a little yellow behind it. So this, for printing's sake, this would look really nice. It's not going to cut out anything other than the letters you have here. But let's try another one. We'll go to Antebellum and see what those look like. Those are just kind of basic. Oh, that's kind of interesting. See, I can see them all right here. And I can go down to this one and see until I kind of feel like one really is interesting to me. That is black letter. See what all they have there. Oh, if I was doing something that was really invitations or something, I could do that. It looks good. I think I'm going to look at, I like cursive a lot, but I don't like it to clash. So this is what the dandelion script looks like. Let's see if there's any special glyphs. No, not really. Think I'll look at, I want to do one more. Fabulous. I don't remember what that one looks like. Deliciously. No, I think I'll keep going. Fountain free. I'm guessing that one's probably like, yeah, like the soda machines. Some sodas. Gonna get rid of that one. Let's see. Soda fountain type look. That's what I was trying to say. I think that I'll look at, Hugs and Kisses. Let's see if that one has fancy glyphs. And it has special characters, but it doesn't seem to really have the glyphs. And I appreciate all of the fonts that I have received from the free font bundles, and there's so many of them. I can list them on my Facebook page. This is Love Moon. I don't think the ones that are not script. Oh, there we go. Those are pretty neat. I think I'll get one of these. Okay, so I'm going to put my cursor down there. I'm going to get this W and see what else they have. This is like kind of a fancier, let's see if they have just plain letters. There we go. Okay. Kind of goes from the swirly to plain. Let me see if there's an I that I like down here. Looks like kind of, I don't know. Oh, that's Greek right there, and that, delta, and omega. I'm not seeing the rest of them, so I don't know why just those two are there. Let's see. Pi, infinity. Let's see if there's a lowercase I that's really neat. No, I didn't see anything there. So, so I'll just go back up here and just use the regular I. And then I think I'll just do the rest of them, because I didn't see too many other ones down there. And back up. Okay, and so that's kind of neat. Let me see what happens to this when I try to change the colors. I'm going to click on all of it. I'm going to get my eyedropper, and I think I'll just turn that pink. These seem to have another color. Again, that wouldn't affect you when you are just cutting vinyl, because you just get the one solid color, but that's okay. I would play with this a little bit more. I would make some changes if I were going to use this. But for now, you see how the glyphs work and how you can see what you're wanting to print out. And now another thing I want to go over is just another couple of things about these monograms. So look at all the choices that you have for monograms. Not only these things that I have, but the thousands of fonts that are out there that some of these designers make that are absolutely fantastic. So I'm going to show you a little couple of things that you can do with these text styles to get yourself fonts, because you look at all of these fonts. I mean, not monograms. So I think if we click on that one, And then I put in my initials, capital. I'm putting them all capitals. Okay, now these all line up pretty much on the bottom the same. And we don't want a monogram to be that way. I'm going to increase the size. Actually, I'm going to decrease the size of these two. And I'm going to decrease the size to 100 for that one. And I'm going to decrease the size to 100 for that one. And, of course, they could be whatever. Okay, now look at how these line up. That's not quite how you want your monogram. So, you can take this text box here, you go over here to this little A on the side, and it turns that into a monogram. It centers all of these. And see, right here is where you, I guess, I don't know. No, it doesn't change anything. But this little box here changes it, and then after you do that, you can go up here to Object, Align, or not align, Rotate, and you can rotate that 90 degrees clockwise, and there you have your own monogram. And so far, now I don't know that every single one would be the same, but so far I have gotten it to work with every one of these. I'm going to do one more. So I'm going to go up here, and I'm going to type in, I'm going to get a script, a text style that I like. I'll try Fabulous. I'm going to type in all capitals, W-E, Fabulous. Now I'm going to bring this over. Okay, and now I'm going to do, no, that's not the one I want. I'm just going to go ahead and type it in, and then I'll change it. Let me see. For some reason I took that out. Okay, so I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to put this down. I'm just going to type in the initials, W-E-K. Now I'll change those to whatever font I like. I'm going to change it to Fabulous. And I'm going to change the first and the last letters so that they are, actually I think on this one, because it does look like it's really small, oh, and for some reason it took lowercase letters. So Fabulous, I'm going to again do there, W-E-K. And now I'm going to increase this one. Let me increase it to 250 and get myself a nice tall. And that one looks like it's lined up already, but I just want to go ahead and see what it does with its, when we do this over here. Okay. Yeah, it seems to line it up a little more. And now I could go in and I could rotate this, but I'm terrible at getting it exactly, so I'm going to leave it the way it was. I'm going to go up here. I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees counterclockwise, and there, I have a pretty good monogram. You know, every one of these. I'll try just one more. And I'm, again, just going to type the letters in because it's wanting to do its own way for some reason. I think I'll try Love Moon. See what that looks like. And again, I could go up here and see what Love Moon looks like. Oh, well, there we go. Okay, now see how it's all lined up. Now let me change this one. Again, I'm going to change that one to pretty big because a monogram often is big. So I'm going to change that to 200. And if you see they're lined up almost exactly. If you put it on this line here, they're lined up exactly on the bottom. So I'm going to go over here, click on that, rotate it 90 degrees clockwise, and I have my monogram. Just with most of these, I think all of them. I think that they all work that way. But, you know, if you find one that doesn't, that's fine. Just, you know, do another one that does. But isn't that cool that you can just do your own monogram? And now if I was doing print and cut, again, I could change the colors. But I like that color. I'm going to stick with that for now. But yeah, so you just put in your monogram, click on that, rotate it, and it comes up perfectly. I mean, you can do this. You could do each letter, and then you can, you know, but I mean, I'm sure of the spacing this way, and I'm sure of the spacing. It's just perfect. It's too easy. Why not do it that way? So thanks for watching. I hope you try